Okay, so we're back on the scooters now. We're going to the most, the ugliest building in Europe. We got a little, it's a little bit away from here, so we're going to hit there by the scooters now. Okay, så vi skal til venstre herovre på den anden side. Ja, bare gå her. Got drama here in Moldova. We got some monuments here. Wow, it's so beautiful here in Moldova. Yeah, you can really see how we are in the outskirts of Chisinau right now. It's not the city center anymore.
fandme tilbagelagt noget.
Det gør man. We must be good towards the old people of Chisinau. And we don't want to run down any babushkas. Okay, we're free now. That was funny as fuck. Wow, look at that church. Beautiful. Wow, we're really at the outskirts of Chisinau. That's what you get by having these scooters. You can just freely roam around and see all of the city, and not just the city centers. Wow, look at that, beautiful. Okay, so it's probably around here. We have to go to the left. It is right here, and we should very soon find Europe's ugliest building on our right. But let's see if we survive this bumpy ride. I see it right in front of us. Oh. Oh my god, all my organs are like thrown around inside me. Holy shit. Oh. Right there in front of us. We got it. Oh, we got cars behind us. Oh. Can we get to the... No, fuck that. We'll just jump up here. It's okay. Wow, look at that building. Okay, I'm not sure if we can park our scooters here, so we'll just need to find a place to do that. Okay, we can actually park it just around here. Wow, look at that. Har du fået lov her? Jeg tror lige, jeg sætter min over på den anden side. Okay, so we arrived at the ugliest building in Europe. And yeah, it's ugly as fuck. We just parked our scooters, and right here you see it. The big round block there. It doesn't look very good. But I sort of like it actually. It's somehow cool. Damn! It looks so scuffed. Wow. But I sort of like it. And look how run down it is, and with the trash all over the place. You actually start wondering what people lives in this tower behind us. Is it gypsies? Is it just poor people, criminals? Maybe just normal people. That might be the case here. We want to send up the drone. We are not sure how good of an idea that is in this country. Therefore we'll rather go into this bush and send it up so no one can see it. us owning it. You can just see how trash this area is. We probably got someone living here. I actually think this is the tallest building in Moldova. I'm not sure. Maybe some of the new banks has taken that record now.
So we are flying the drone, and we just talked about how it looks like the inside of a washing machine or something. That's quite funny. If you like try and notice, you can see that it's like all these spikes that go out in the tumbler in the washing machine.
We just landed the drone. We'll go to the supermarket because the camera is like grilled. It's fucking 100 degrees warm. You can't even touch it. So we'll stick it into a freezer and we'll continue exploring. I'll take a look at this beautiful building, or ugly building, but I think it's almost at a level of ugliness that becomes beautiful. Okay, so here you can't have roller skates. I stick in with the meat. See you soon. Okay, we bought this and we thought it was soda, but apparently we got 2.6% alcohol in it. So we got to show ID, passport, to prove that we are old enough to drink 2.6% alcohol drink. I mean, this is not even a fucking shot. And well, apparently we do not look like someone who's over 18, but it's a little bit surprising that a country like Moldova actually got these strict alcohol rules. I mean, where we're from, you can drink from you're 16 years old, these drinks, and you can even buy wine at 16. But here, you have to be 18 to buy just cider. So that's interesting. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, it smells like a beer. That's interesting. It's
like half beer, half cider.
Half beer, half cider. That's perfect the way it's selling it. Not what we expected, but they didn't have that much soda in there, so yeah. So we got some sketchy people over here, or a woman who looks like a gypsy maybe. We'll just see what happens. We also got someone who looks like tourists. Okay, so the building looks shit, but apparently they got loads of security here. You can see these boys. They're living here. We will definitely not be able to go in. Let's try it. Okay, so it's just like a rooftop. Yeah, not much up here. It looks sketchy. Let's go down. So that was it for this ugly building here in Moldova, the ugliest in Europe apparently. And we'll now head back towards the city center to take a look at some of the other stuff we drove past.